What if I told you that you can actually start getting your 4,000 watch hours without literally uploading videos every day? Guys, this is real. This is not fake. This is not one of those get monetized overnight scams. And no, I am not talking about buying views or doing anything against YouTube's policy. I recently discovered a powerful hack that small YouTubers are silently using to accumulate 4,000 watch time hours faster than ever before. Most creators are ignoring this, or they don't even know it exists. While small creators are quietly using this to boost their watch hours, increase their audience retention, and move closer to monetization without the stress of uploading every single day. You'll be struggling to get your 4,000 watch hours, struggling to grow your YouTube channel, struggling with low views, impressions, subscribers, and you're tired of uploading videos that nobody watches. Then this tutorial might actually be one of the most important YouTube tutorial videos you're going to watch this year. Especially now in 2026 when YouTube monetization has actually changed. The algorithm has changed, AI content is changing everything, and creators are looking for smarter ways to grow. In this video, I'm going to be breaking this down step by step. I'll show you the exact hack that YouTube actually introduced. I'll show you how to set it up properly and start using it. So whether you're trying to get your 1,000 subscribers, get your 4,000 watch hours fast, grow your faceless YouTube channel, use AI tools like Sidance 2.0, or you simply want to understand how the YouTube algorithm works for small channels in 2026. Because at the end of this tutorial, you will stop struggling to grow your channel and your 4,000 watch hours will be complete in the space of 1 week. Without much being said, I'm going to head over to my screen right now and show you this hack that has changed everything completely when it comes to 4,000 watch hours. Let's go, guys. So guys, for you to access this tool, I'm just going to click on my YouTube logo. So this is my YouTube logo. I'll click on it. So just click on your YouTube logo and then it's going to bring you to this interface, right? Okay, so just click on this, plus icon here. Okay. Click on the plus icon. And then it's going to bring you to this interface, right? Click on go on live. So I'll click on live. Okay, so once you click on live, it's going to bring you to this interface, guys. Okay. Just click on the pencil icon here. Just click on the pencil icon here. So now it's basically as if you want to go live, but you're not going live to go and stay there. You're not even using screen recording, guys. Okay. This is the simplest hack you can actually use. Before I made this video, I've seen people who actually worked for. I've seen somebody that got over 300 watch hours in 1 day. I've seen somebody that got over 46k views, and that gave him over 1,000 plus watch hours, guys. And this is where you need to pay attention, okay? So before you even come to this part, ensure you have actually designed a thumbnail, because you also need a thumbnail to draw the attention of people, right? So just click on this pencil icon right here, okay? Now let me assume I want to upload a thumbnail, okay? Okay, just click on upload thumbnail. Click on upload thumbnail, and it's going to bring you to your gallery. Let's assume this is the thumbnail I want to upload. Okay, let's assume this is the thumbnail I want to upload. I will upload, click on save. All right, so once you click on save, this is where you are going to input your title. Okay, I'm just going to write. Now what you are going there to do, you're going to play a game. Okay, one thing about games is that it can literally draw people's attention and it can give you enough watch hours, right? So just title it. You can title it, just give it a catchy title. You can give it something like, "This game is insane. Who can play it better?" Okay. Now, irrespective of whatever your niche is, you can use this. YouTube has actually brought this feature for everybody to have fun, and you can actually use it to increase your watch hours. Okay, so it doesn't affect your channel And one thing about using this feature is that once you get your 4,000 watch hours, one thing about using this feature is that it's going to attract a lot of subscribers to your channel. Okay, and mostly subscribers of people that love to play games, or people that love to play games, right? So these people are going to come, and once you get your 4,000 watch hours, just stop it and focus on your main content so that you don't keep attracting the wrong audience to your channel. Okay, but then this is just specifically for 4,000 watch hours, guys. Okay, now once you've written your title, ensure it is in public. Ensure it's not made for kids. Okay, you see all this icon, you can see this description. You can tap on it to input your description. I already have a default description on my channel, so I don't need to add a default description. Okay, now you can see if you come down here, we are not using screencast. Okay, what you're now going to do is you're going to click on next. Okay, so click on next. Once you click on next, just click on go live and wait for it to load. Okay, now guys, take full attention, just pay attention to this part. Okay, now once you click on go live, you are going to come here. You're going to come here. You see where they wrote hide live video? Just turn off the hide live video. Okay, turn it off so that your face is not going to show. Okay, and then look at this part here. Okay, just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you're going to see all these games here. All these games here. Okay, just scroll up and look for a game that is catchy. There's a lot of games here. There's a lot of games here, guys. Okay, there's a lot of games. A lot of them. Okay, just let me just play one. Let me play this one. I have actually been playing this one since yesterday. Okay, just wait for it to load. Okay, just tap on this icon and then you start playing. Just start playing your game. Okay, as you are playing it, I'm not actually supposed to go live, but it is showing that I'm live. This was the one I was actually playing yesterday until I stopped. So once you just tap on it and then keep playing your game, it's going to give you direction on how to play it. Okay, as you're playing it, people are going to be joining, and if you're not playing it well, they can even be commenting and be telling you you're not playing it well. Okay, by so doing, you're getting engagement. Okay, so this is basically how this works. Okay, try it and give me a feedback. Okay, now I'm going to be giving you another trick you can actually use to get your 4,000 watch hours in case you don't want to use this one. Okay, in fact, I will encourage you to use these two methods. Okay, use these two methods because these are the game changers. It worked for me, that's worked for so many people, and it's also going to work for you. Okay, the first part is you playing the games, spending time, and then getting your 4,000 watch hours. The next part is this process I'm going to show you right now. So just go to YouTube Studio. So just go to your YouTube app. Okay, just go to your YouTube app. Once you go to your YouTube app, okay, simply click on this plus icon right here. This plus icon right here. Okay. Once you click on the plus icon, it will take you back to it will take you back to this interface, right? Just click on live. Okay. Once you click on live, okay, basically the same process I followed, right? Then just click on this okay, click on next. Sorry, before you click on next, click on the pencil icon. Okay, once you click on the pencil icon, click on this pencil icon right here, upload your thumbnail. This is actually the process I've showed you before, so I don't want to waste our time. Ensure you impute your title. Try to impute a catchy title as well. Okay, impute a very, very catchy title. Then after that, you come down here. this place that says screencast, guys. Now, the way this actually works is that you're going to use a pre-recorded video. Let's assume you want to teach people how to get 4,000 watch hours, or you are in the cooking niche, you've cooked an egusi soup and you want to show people the process of cooking egusi soup, or you are in the gaming niche, or you are in the faceless niche, any niche you are, okay? You have recorded a video. Instead of uploading that video, or instead of just going live normally and then sit down there and start chatting with people or start teaching them how to get 4,000 watch time hours, how to cook egusi soup, you can do that pre-recorded video and then you upload it. That video will be playing. You're going to loop it. You first of all loop the video in your phone before imputing it as a live. It will go live. You don't need to appear on camera. You don't need to show your face. And that video is people are going to be watching. They will think you're the one speaking live. Now remember, it is a pre-recorded video. Okay, it is a pre-recorded video and you're not there, you're not showing your face, nothing, but people are going to be watching and interacting. You can actually allow that to play to loop for at least up to 11 hours. And once it is 11 hours, all you need to do is to just turn it off and check your watch hours, guys. This is so amazing. This is actually a very proven point. You can actually use another external app. You can use Restream, but then this is me showing you how you can use the same app right inside your YouTube studio. Okay, right inside YouTube, that you don't need any other external app. You don't need to go and pay for any app. Okay, and let me show you how to impute your video. Now, just click on this screencast. Okay, this place that says screencast, just tap on it. Okay, toggle it on, and then click on next. Okay, now click on got it. Now, once you click on got it, click on next. Now, once you click on next, it's going to bring you to this interface. It will take you to your gallery where you can actually select a video you want to use, right? Let's assume, let me go to my gallery. So this is my gallery. I'll just look for my gallery. So what you're going to do is you are going to this video here, just turn it off. Okay, turn it off so that your face is not going to show you. You can see immediately I turned it off. Look down here. Immediately I turned it off. It is only my profile picture that is showing. Okay, now I have selected the video. After selecting the video, you can see the video is playing already. Video is playing. All you need to do is to just click on go live. Once you go live, your video will be playing. Okay, it will be playing and people are going to be watching the video. It will look as if you are the one there, and at the end of the day, you check your watch hours, guys. So just go ahead and try all of this strategy. Just go ahead and try these two strategies I've talked about, and in 2 days, highest 1 week, you will testify of a reasonable watch hour. Even if you don't get up to 4,000 watch hours, you are going to see a significant improvement in your watch time hours. If you enjoyed this video, guys, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.